In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. I'm going to show you this in the best way possible with a tool that I've been using for a while. So on this website, I've added a little blank section just to make this a very easy process for you to follow along. So what you want to do is simply go to the part wherever it is that you want to add the Google reviews. And then from there, what you want to do is click on the plus icon, which says add elements. Then you want to go to Embed Code. And then we need to take the code, right? So click right here, Embed Code. Then it's going to ask us to insert that code right here. For that, what you need to do is go to this website, Elf site. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. And as you can see, they've got many widgets that you can add into a website with HTML, including Google reviews, which is their best seller. If you click on that one, Google reviews, we can now go to create widget in the top right corner, and we can set this one up. They've got a few templates that we can choose from. They've got this one, the carousel widget, which looks like this. We've got the floating badge, which looks like this. So if you want to add it like this onto your website, choose this one. We've got the normal badge, and we've got grid. So I like carousel widget the most. So choose the one that fits for you on the left hand side, and then click continue with this template. Next up, what you need to do is either use your Google Place ID from Google My Business, or find your place by business name and address so that it can import the reviews. What I'm going to do is take this company itself, Elf site. I'm going to click search, select it right here, and there we go. The reviews will now show up. What I can then do is customize everything. So I can go to layout, and then once again, I can make this show up in multiple ways. I can make it show up in a list format, masonry, grid, carousel, floating badge, and this one, as you can see. So we'll go with carousel, just like that. Click customize, and then you can customize this. You can customize the gap. You can enable or disable arrows, as you can see right there, so that they can scroll through. If I've got it enabled, that's how that works. You can choose to only show arrows on the hover. But this is set by default, in my opinion, works perfectly. And there you go. You've got these two. So you can customize these as well to show the offer name, picture, verified badge, everything right here. You can show it in full as well if you want to, the text, short or full, just like that. I recommend setting it to short so that they can always click read more in case they want to. As you can see right here, they can then also hide it. So this is perfect. So as you can see, this looks absolutely fantastic. We can also customize the colors to any color of your liking. I'm just going to stick to the default, which is blue, just like that. But you can change everything. Widget title, as you can see right here. You can change the header, all of the colors from that. You can change the rating color, as you can see. So basically you can customize absolutely everything here on Elf site, which is why I like this platform so much. So we now have the Google review widget. Let's go to click on add website. For this, you need to sign in for an account. For that, I'll leave a link in the description down below, as well as a review and a full tutorial if you're not sure if Elf site could be for you. What I'm going to do is simply sign in. What we need now is our code, because remember, in order to add this to the website, we need to add the code right here. So as you can see, we're now inside the platform. If we then click on close, it will take us to our Google Reviews widget. You then click on these three dots right here, click Embed Code. Take this from here, copy code, go to Wix, copy that, click update, and then it should now show up. But as you can see, it's pretty small still. So we can drag this out, top left, and there we go. We have just added these beautiful Google reviews right here on our website. If I simply publish this and then go to the preview, we can see what this looks like. And by the way, Elf site, depending on the plan you have, you either can get multiple widgets like this, so you can also have the Airbnb reviews, Amazon reviews, background music. You can basically use all of the tools on Elf site depending on the plan you have. So you can add all of these widgets with a certain plan. I'll leave a link once again for the full Elf site tutorial in the description down below. For now, let's take a look at our website. As you can see, this does indeed show up, and there we go. People can now write a review, as well as scroll through all of the reviews right here. So that is how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. I've installed the Google review widget on the free plan. If you would like to upgrade, you can click on this green button right there so that you can get better resources. For example, with the free plan, which you can get for all of the tools on Elf site, you can only add this to one website. It can get up to 200 views a month. So that's good if you have a small website. However, if you've got a little larger website, I recommend taking the basic plan so that you can get 5,000 views, or any of the other tools right here that come with these features. I recommend you to take a look to this yourself so that you can get the best possible version for your website. With that being said, I'll leave a link to Al's site in the description down below, as well as other resources, but that is how I usually add my Google reviews to any website, including Wix.